Alright guys, in your Google Classroom, doesn't matter which period you're in, you have a project that we are going to work on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So today I'm just going to go over kind of what your expectations should be for just on Wednesday's work, what to accomplish. In your screen, it should, when you open it up, it should look something like this, but in the top right corner it's going to say your work, and it's going to have 3 different documents. It's going to have a Google Docs, a Google Sheets, and a Google Slides. We're going to start with the Google Slides, and in this project what you're going to do is you're going to pick an actual bank and then use it, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write a paragraph. That means 3 to 5 complete sentences on why it's a good idea to use a bank. Think about what we've been talking about, from being able to gain interest, build a relationship with a bank for loans in the future, for being able to get a debit card or have direct deposit, automatic bill pay, all those different things. And so each part, it tells you the rubric here, how many points each thing's worth. And so by the end of Wednesday, today, you should have a total of, excuse me, sorry. Nope, okay. You should have 31 points, because I want you to finish parts 1 and 2. On Thursday, you are going to use your bank, and then Friday is where you're going to graph your bank accounts and see how your balance changes over time, and also finish up anything you didn't finish on Wednesday and Thursday. So, ignore that. Okay, so you're going to start by writing your paragraph here, okay? This is worth 10 points, so I need it to be in complete sentences and well reasoned. Then you are going to research a bank. So you can pick a credit union if you want. So you could look up Waco banks and credit unions, and you can look and see what is available in Waco. Okay, so there are different options. These are different credit unions here. You could even look at this list of the 10 best banks and credit unions and kind of go from there. So First Central only has 1 5-star rating. Educators has 3.5 but 5. So you can go through this list if you want to do it that way. Or if you know that like your parents or someone banks at a certain bank, so like Extraco Bank is an option here in Waco. But you pick which one that you want. So let's say that you do Bank of America. Okay, so we have Bank of America, and you're going to type in that you chose Bank of America here. Then you're going to Google the checking amount, or the checking account interest rates, and you are going to research these different things. Now for Bank of America, you need to put a zip code here and then select your county. Different websites have it different ways. So like if you do Extraco, they have a variable interest rate, I think. So this is their interest rate here on their checking account is 0.05, but you can also do like a savings account. And so some of these places, you'll have to look and see and kind of search through. So you can see that this is based on how much money you have once you get over $50,000. This is for a money market. You have CD, you have auto loans, recreational vehicles. And so some places are a little harder to find. And so that's for savings. And so it looks like they don't have like a true savings account. They have a money market account for their savings. And so you could make that little note here, and then you could put like a money market account if that's what you chose to do. Okay, so you're going to look and see what the bank you chose provides. So like here, if you do a Control F, whenever you go to search, you can look up savings. So this is their savings account is 0.01. You can look up checking, and their checking is, this is a business checking. And it looks like they don't have like a personal, let's see, yeah, so, but you can look, most of their rates are going to be 0.01. And this is important that you have, because you are going to use this tomorrow whenever you create your register because we need to know our interest rate to calculate how much interest you would have. You're going to look up any list of fees that your bank has. So Bank of America checking account fees. And you can see that you have to select a product. And so I would just do pick a banking would be a checking account is what they're referring to here. And so they have a monthly fee of $4.95. Then you can click here and you can see if you use a Bank of America ATM, there's no fee. If it's a non-Bank of America ATM, it's $2.50. If it's outside of the U.S., every time you use an ATM, it's $5. If you lose your card, that's $5. And they have overdraft policies. So they will decline your overdraft and they won't charge you overdraft, which is actually a good thing. They don't have any fees for paying your bills. There's a $5 statement fee, unless you do the preferred rewards. So you can even look through and see what's the difference between the Advantage Plus. And so this Advantage Plus is $12 per statement, and same ATM, same card replacement. Then you can have the option of turning on overdraft, which means that they go ahead and let you pay so you never are declined if you don't. And that's $35 per overdraft. And then overdraft protection transfer fee is $12 if you want to automatically just transfer money into savings if you don't have enough into checking. And so you can look through these things and you're going to type out the different fees they have. You're going to find the monthly service charge and you can list what that bank account type is, and then I want you to give me 2 to 5 sentences about why you chose Bank of America or why you chose Educators Credit Union or whichever bank or financial institution, credit union you choose, those depository institutions. And that should round out about the 47 minutes of work for the first day. I will be making videos each day and explaining what to do, and so that should give you enough to go on. But then on Thursday, y'all are going to start recording different purchases and spending fake money, and then you will make your graphs on Friday. So that should round out your work for today.